Hey guys, it's Erica. It's Wednesday. I'm up in the loft today because I'm still doing, big clean out of my house, trying to, clean out the storage bedroom, which is one of these doors behind you, and then been cleaning out in here in the loft and kind of moving things around. And I came across this, little cubby thing, I was cleaning it out, and it was the contents from my mom's funeral, which was 10 years ago. And it was really interesting. It included like all of the, notes and cards that people had sent me, and really beautiful. And it also, in that little cubby thing, it also included this jewelry box that my mom had. My mom, I think, had several, but it's so cute. Here, I want to show you. The favorite thing in here that I found was her Girl Scout cards that included like her brownie years, which I thought were so cute, from like the years 1958, 1959, and 1960. I think it's just so cute to see program brownie. I just can't even really imagine my mom that young. And then also her swimming, her American Red Cross little swimming cards, because I remember getting these same cards when I was her age. So, beginner in swimming, intermediate swimmer. So I just thought that those were pretty cute. And then also when I was looking through it, I found the words that I wrote and read at her funeral, which of course probably very few people know that when she died, she died from a reaction to her chemo. And I had knee surgery like literally maybe 1 or 2 days before. Wasn't supposed to travel, but of course that all goes out the window when your mom dies. And so I was like in a full leg brace and whatever, and I was like completely hopped up on pain pills. And so I hadn't seen these words really in like 10 years probably, or something like that. So I'm reading it and I was like, wow, okay. So I'd like to read them. I'd like to read them and share them with you. So here's what I wrote and read at my mom's funeral back in 2016. I'd like to come up and share a few things. Oh, hold on. Bleep, bleep, bloop, bleep, bleep. Rewind, redo. Kai would like to come up and share a few things about his grandma, but before he does, I'd like to say a few words about my mom and one quiet impact she had on my life. Growing up, I never considered my mom a super social person. I don't recall her being the life of the party. I don't remember her talking on the phone to girlfriends for hours on end. What she had, though, were friends for life. Friends who have known me and my brother Carl since before we were born. Friends who have watched us grow up and who have fought alongside her for over 10 years. That's a long fight. Those are good people to have on your side. In the past year, I turned 40 and my mom's battles with her body raged on, but her friends never left her side. I look in this room and I see a lot of people who have known me my entire life, lifelong friends of my mom and my dad. I look in this room and I see a lot of people who have known me upwards of 27 years. She never told me how to nurture these friendships, but her actions led the way. And here I am at 40, realizing that she quietly led me to this place in my life with my friendships. The best lessons you learn are often the ones learned through actions and not words. I chose the Broken Vessels songs you heard earlier because it speaks of being broken, and my mom's body was broken. Through the mercy and love of God. She is mended and whole, just like the song talks about. She is healed. She beat cancer. It didn't beat her. Anyway, that's what I said at my mom's funeral. All hyped up on pain meds. And then Kai came up and shared a few words about his grandma. So yeah, but it's been pretty cute to kind of go down memory lane, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for being with me on this journey. Talk to you later. Bye.